Okay, so we're really getting ready together, and I am just dying to show you, as I sit on the floor of my living room, two beautiful products that go together like bread and jelly. Or is it butter and jelly? I don't know. You know what I mean. So, Stila Cosmetics, you know I'm obsessed. This is one of their best sellers. This is the Convertible color little palette. It is for lips and cheeks. Okay, this is the funniest one that I have to show you because it's the Heaven's Dew all over Glimmer, illuminator, whole thing. And my color is Silver Lake. I am terrified of body glitter. I mean, I'm like terrified of self-tanner, okay, obviously. So when Stila sent me this, thank you, Stila. Thank you, Courtney and Stila. I was like, I don't know how I'm ever going to demo this, but I put a very, very little bit on before I did a video with my friend Lindsay the other day. And let's look inside. It's also like kind of tricky to open. Why did I struggle with this last time? Just gotta, hello unboxing. I mean, this is not pre-recorded. I mean, this is pre-recorded, but you know, I don't like to edit my videos really. I just like to show it to you, the real thing. So here we have it. This is the Silver Lake color. And see the little bronzer there? That was just me taking my finger and applying it here when I already had foundation on. But watch, we're gonna do it with like a little bit of brush. I'm just gonna do a tiny tap. See, very, very little. And I'm gonna go over the blush that I just put on. See? So you can wear it all over your body. I actually, you know what I did? I topped off I don't have any eyeshadow on right now, but I did my whole eyeshadow, like the liquid eyeshadow that I've shown you by Stila. And then I did a tiny, tiny, like tap, 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 tiny. Watch, again. Just a little bit. It's sparkly. So, if you're new to this kind of product, like me, go slow. You can illuminate your whole body with it, they say. It does add a glossy sparkle, but it is sparkly. I personally love it. They say to use it with a sponge, which of course I didn't do because I'm not a beauty influencer, but I invest in really, really good quality products that are foolproof. So people like me, if you're not a beauty influencer or a makeup artist, this is for you. So yeah, apply it with a sponge, brush. Oh, actually I did it right. Okay, brush or blend into cheeks with your fingers. It's easy. Eyes and body. I like it on the eyes. I like it just like as a top little thing. Again, a lovely gift to give because OMG, this is something that I wouldn't necessarily buy for myself, but getting it as a gift is like such a cool thing, you know? A wonderful add-on, Heaven's Dew all over Glimmer and Illuminator. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it by Stila Cosmetics. When I first got this product, I was like, no way, it's way too dark. I'm not going to wear it. It's not for me, but look at this. It's also like a cream. See, like you just take your finger. It's a cream here. See that? Which also freaked me out because I was like, oh gosh, sorry, I'm like looking to them, make sure it works. It goes on so subtly. It's not cakey at all. And look, you could put it on your lips too. Isn't that great? So a bestseller, definitely look inside. I think that peony is really lovely. I've been wearing this a lot and it's not like you need, see? And I don't have any, I mean, I put a little lip gloss on earlier, but this is like, I pulled this little blush brush thing. I don't even know what this is for, but I pulled it just in case. I also want to show you one other thing. So you can blend it, but again, you just saw like how very little I used. So just kind of let it build and go along your cheekbones. Again, peony, and this is the Dual Lip and Cheek Cream by Stila Cosmetics. Thank you so much.